Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. As you notice, this is not a tutorial video. Today is the opportunity for those of you who are really interested to build their own website. Today I am going to share you a Udemy course which is absolutely free for only 24 hours. Okay, all you need is one Udemy account. That's all. No credit card, no debit card. Just one Udemy account. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Just go to the description of this video. Under free course section there will be a link. Click on it. Okay, once you click on that link you will be redirected to this website udemy.com. Okay, all you need is one Udemy account which is free to create. Okay, so just click on this enroll now. And as you can see, great choice, Mr. Helper. So this course has been enrolled in my account. Now I can watch as long as I want. There's no limitation. It is for free. I have enrolled it, so I can keep it for lifetime. Okay guys, before you go, let me tell you this. I have created a separate playlist on this topic, Udemy courses. I will gonna leave that playlist link in the description box below. If you are interested, then please go there and check it out. Okay, and one more thing guys, if you don't know, if you know, it's okay. If you don't know, then let me tell you, I have a second channel named as Spapno, and I go live at Twitch as well as on my YouTube channel. My Twitch channel link is twitch.tv/Spapno and my YouTube channel link is youtube.com/Spapno. So if you are interested to watch my live stream, then you can go there and watch me live. Okay, and if you are interested to follow me on Twitch and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, then you can do also. I'm gonna leave all the social website links of my second channel as well as this channel link. Okay, so all the links are in the description box below. Go there and check it out. Whichever you prefer to go, just check it out. Okay, so thank you for watching. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.